Hey, what's up YouTube, and welcome back to another edition of The Food Game. And we are back over at Arby's to check out their buffalo chicken tenders. Another new item on Arby's menu. I don't remember them ever having buffalo tenders before, but maybe they did. I'm pretty sure they do have the regular chicken tenders though. And there you can see it comes in a nice plastic bowl. And I almost forgot to ask them for the ranch. And wow, I don't know if you can tell, but some of the buffalo sauce there on the top is splattered everywhere. Yikes. Definitely shouldn't attempt to open this in your car, that's for sure. Oh man, the car is so full right now. I'm just tossing the bags and stuff on the floor. But there you can see the three-piece buffalo chicken tenders, and that should look fairly nice. So the price on here for the 3-piece was $3.99. So $4 for 3 chicken tenders. Let me show you a close-up look at one of them. You can see here a really nice portion of the buffalo sauce is distributed among the chicken tender. It's not really looking to be on the crispy side, but it's probably due to the heat of the actual buffalo sauce. I mean, I'm pretty sure this is going to taste pretty much like the buffalo chicken slider. Again, not really the biggest chicken tender out there, but I guess that word will work for us. So here we go, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen. And you would have guessed it, just pretty much a bigger piece of the buffalo chicken slider, the actual chicken piece. And you can see some of those pepper flake seasonings on the top there. I guess you get a moderate amount of heat with these, nothing major. I guess it's not that bad. I'm not really tasting much of the chicken itself, just because there's so much of that buffalo sauce on here, which is actually making the chicken a lot more moist than it is. And the heat is kind of slowly starting to build. Again, not extreme by any means. But I do have water here just in case. And I'm not sure if you can actually tell, but the water that's actually in there was actually frozen this morning because it was so cold. I just left it in the car, and I think it was 20 degrees this morning, and it was even snowing yesterday, at least a little bit. So I'm sure that will definitely cool you off from the moderate amount of heat from the buffalo sauce. But yeah, honestly, not too much more to say about this. Again, I'm not the biggest on buffalo sauce, but I am starting to get used to it now. But for me, it just seems like most buffalo sauces out there taste almost the same. And I will actually admit here that these ones from Arby's actually do pack a good amount of heat, for sure. Definitely a bit spicier than what Sonic has to offer. So I guess for $4 for 3 of them, it's not that bad of a deal. Yeah, that heat is actually really starting to build in my throat right now. So on my rating scale for Arby's buffalo chicken tenders, out of 10, I'm going to give them, I think I'll give them an 8 out of 10. They're good for what they are, but it's definitely not something that I would get that often, and probably something I wouldn't get on a regular basis, or I guess just on any ordinary day, I should say. Again, just not the biggest fan of buffalo sauce, but still not that bad at all, considering I'm not the biggest fan of it. But if you are a fan of Arby's buffalo sauce and I guess their buffalo chicken sliders, you will definitely enjoy this a lot more. Again, we're not going to try it with ranch because I'm sure that's just going to minimalize the heat. But anyway, if you have tried this before, let me know what you think in the comments below. But that is going to wrap it up for this video here. And if you're new to the channel, I've got new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Feel free to follow me on social media. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and share the video if you enjoyed. Go punch that subscribe button, knock it out. And as always, have yourself a nice day and subscribe to join the club.